What is up guys, Dan at the site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio in Figma. So first you need to head over to your Figma's website and then you need to select a project that you want to edit audio to. And after that, you just simply need to select the frame or anything that you want to add the audio in. And after selecting, if you are not able to just simply add your audio, you can just hover to the plugin section here. I'll show you, but if you can select it, you just simply need to hover to this plugin section, click on manage plugins, and then from here you need to search for audio. And when you click on audio, here you will see the punch cut audio player. Simply click on this and then click on run. After clicking on run, here the punch cut audio will appear in a small pop-up. As you can see, this is loading the punch cut audio player. And after that, when the extension has been loaded, here you can see it has been appeared in the small pop-up. So you can just simply select a button, and after that you can select the type of audio you want to give it. And if you just simply want to give the direct audio, you can just simply click on this button at the top on the left side and then click on manage plugins, and from here you can run the punch cut audio player. The thing is same, you basically need to run this punch cut audio player in a small pop-up, and then you need to select the frame or the element that you want to add the audio to. And after selecting, here you will see the options to add some different types of audio. You can just simply select one and then you can add it. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.